so all right, it's 2 weeks later, and you see all the water is gone. And what we actually have is just the salt here, and the coins are in there. So we are not getting to the coins that easy. Maybe you want to add some water. Now let's just see what happened. Okay, so the paper clip, you see it's totally rusty, as expected. The coin looks like this. So definitely a lot of corrosion going on here. So the silver coin got some corrosion from the copper coin, but looks okay-ish. And I guess we can even rub that away. So that's how the next copper coin looks. I'm pretty sure you could clean them up, but it's like 2 weeks in heavy salt water. Then that's the next coin. Looks just like so. Yeah, and I have to say they all look pretty good. And then there is a final coin in here, a silver one, which is absolutely not damaged, so the queen is healthy. Actually, the queen looks the best, so I guess the Brits make pretty good coins. So there you have it. As expected, the coins didn't have much problem, because that's, or let's say they often find them in sunken ships. So they last a long time. The paperclip obviously did not make it, and the rest of the coins is actually good, but I have to say again, the British coin is absolutely the best one. The European euros, the copper ones, look a little bit corroded, but let's see if we polish it, can polish it. So if I would polish enough, you would actually be able to bring the euro back to its glory. That's what I'm gonna do later. Okay, so that's how coins look after I've put them 3 weeks or 2 weeks, 2.5 to be precise, in heavy salty water. And you see how it looked once we took them out of the water in a few seconds.